What up, YouTube? You know what it is, you know who it is. It's just 31 to be exact. We back up here. They called and told me my thing was ready, so I'm gonna come up here and check it out and see what's what. And I'll let y'all know the details on all of that. And don't watch TV, keep watching me.
Throw me on some clothes, yeah, you know I'm smoking on some strong. Riding around the town with that 9 on the side of me. Open up the trunk just to see your baby came with me. Sideline just hit me up and said, can you fix something?
Covered under the warranty.
Let me have somebody pull on the side for me.
All right.
Oh, yawning, sorry.
It's that time.
Valet to the cashier.
You know what? I'm gonna actually just wait until I get off in the car, then we'll talk about it. Right now it's real windy. You did. You all right, you too. I got it all nice and done. We're finna head out. Somebody probably waiting, but we won't go for it. Check engine light, baby. Yes, sir. Now let's see about this. Sir, no more squeak, baby. I'm gonna tell y'all what it was in a minute. I'm finna take it back to the crib, read over the paperwork and all of that, so I can really tell y'all all the shit that's going on.
Brown skin, and a dark skin.
Dang.
Which one you want, nigga?
I don't know.
But look, I'm gonna go for this light skin right now, nigga. You get
Jump up out the bed with my ice on. Walk up in the bathroom, the mama twerking in the
No more squeak, baby. Once I get to the crib, we're gonna have that talk about everything they fixed, all for the free, cause it was on one.
Riding around the town with that 9 on the side of me. Open up the trunk just to see your baby came with me. Sideline just hit me up and said, can you fix something? I can fix whatever.
Since we heard, let's see what I had going on. So basically I had the little squeak thing, right? Anytime I hit the gas, the accelerator or whatever, anytime I do that, with whether it's low RPMs or just when my car's in that quiet V4 mode, you'll get that squeak or whatever. So I went to the dealership, and I told them what my problems was. I told them I had a squeak. I told them it was some type of rattling going on, and then I also told them that the check engine light was on. All that y'all saw on the previous video. If you didn't, go check that video out too. So basically, what they told me is, in the internal part, you know, of my chassis, the control module, there's a Scat Pack soul in the motherfucker, dog. How the hell? I thought souls go to heaven or hell. How the hell did it end up in my car? I don't know. But it was Scat Pack souls in there making all that noise, man. So basically, if I read this shit word for word, it say DTC PC C8 stored in ECM for meal requested by the chassis. Control module was stored for bank 2 exhaust flow actuator. Pertains to an unlearned position for exhaust flow in the control actuator was learned. So they basically redid it, you know, learned the thing, performed the test for it, everything was straight. Got a inappropriate bank 2 actuator, performed a circuit test and stuff like that. Something back there in the back, it wasn't really rattling per se. It was like something electric or something like wanting to go, but something is blocking it or something. I'm almost certain that rattle was that noise back there. But that shit was also cleared, so. See if I can find some Christmas presents up in here. I ain't did nothing. I always take forever. I'm a procrastinator. Look at this. Up here in this mall. See what I can find. Alright, so thank y'all for tuning in, you dig. So look, check this out. Got a wrap coming up. Couldn't wait to get that done. Got the wheel back. We gotta get the windshield fixed. And got everything else fixed. Ain't that right? So anyway, thank y'all for tuning in, and we out.
Jump up out the bed with my eyes.
So look, tell me what y'all think about the song that we got going on in the background. That's Lil Bro, Kells G5, KELZ_G5 on IG, dig? Anyway, y'all let me know what you think about what happened with, you know, the whip, you know what I'm saying? Got that, everything fixed on it. Let me know how you think about that in the comments. Got a rap coming up, let me know what you think I should get, even though I know what I'm gonna get. So look, man, we got a lot of shit. We off work for a little bit, so I can actually, you know, get back with my peeps, vlog with y'all, you dig? You know, interact with y'all and shit like that. So keep tuning in, stick with me, you know what I'm saying? The Ginger, and I'm out.